So when you get your wire harness, we have two pieces. There's an 8-foot piece with a fusible link, and then it has a ground. And then there is a button on the other side. And this is a 12-foot piece with the flat tube that hooks into your grapple. And then a ground. And then these two hook together. So on the 1050 ditch witch, we open the hood. There's your positive. There's your grounds. This is your green hooked together. Then you start at the quick coupler and you fish it down through. And then they always have a hole on the inside. You can see it right there, where they come down around the back of the load arm and then they come through. And then we followed this power cable right here down back to the battery. And then on this side, we have a cutout right here. We put our button in there. We just drilled a 5/8 hole and bolted our button in. And we just fished our wire up through into that compartment. So pretty easy. I'll get a video of how it works. So when you run this one down through here, you can bring it right inside all these clamps. And then you want to make sure you get into the bottom of this radius on these hoses with your wire. When it lifts up, it gets real tight right here and it'll cut your wire off. But it takes maybe 20 minutes to put it in. Ditch witch is one of the better ones that I've done so far, putting them in, so should be good. So on this side, this is your auxiliary lever. That opens and closes. Push this button, it should light up green to know that it's on. Then it will rotate right and left, whichever way you push the lever. Push this button back off, back to open and close.